Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change saturation on your ELGATO Facecam MK.2. So first, what you guys need to do is download the ELGATO Camera Hub, which is an app especially designed for those cameras. So first, after you downloaded the app, go over the camera settings, go to device, and here you have the input. Make sure that it's set to ELGATO Facecam MK.2, and now go over to picture, because here we have the saturation. So how to change it? Basically click it on your mouse, and now you can hold the button on your mouse and slide it to the left or to the right, depending on your preference. So this is how you can easily change it. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.